there, it's Ruth Rowland with a fiddle tutorial for Quoi Faire. Quoi Faire is Cajun for what can you do? And this is one of my favorite Cajun tunes because it's so customizable. It only has 2 lines. Each line repeats 4 times, and while you can play it exactly the same way each time, there's no reason to. Let me show you the first line. So the first bar, pretty straightforward. The chord that goes with it is the A chord. So you can add an E in there. You can also change up the rhythm. Or you can also play the open E at the same time as the second finger on A. And if you want to get really fancy, put your 4th finger on the D string to make the note A. D, E, F, G, A. You can also come up to that 2 on A from the note below. That sounds especially good with the 4th finger on the note A. Canray Fontenot used to do this really cool thing where if he wanted to play a chord that went across 3 strings, he would play the bottom 2 strings, then the middle string, then the top 2 strings, and then the middle string again. It sounds like a train. You can also do it with the shuffle bowing. So you can do that. Okay, now we're at the second bar. Also pretty straightforward. This is an E chord, so you can add the G sharp. And of course, you can do Canray Fontenot's trick with the E chord. So far we have the first 2 bars. What's next? We have 2 more A chords. The 3rd bar goes to this high A in the 4th bar, usually. But if we want to change the 4th bar so that it goes to the same A we started on, instead of going up, we can kind of tread water. So there's a variation for you. And or something that just keeps you in the same place. Also, we might want to change the rhythm to make it stand out from the rest of the line. And as long as we're playing A and we have this 4th finger on D that sounds really great with the A, we can play the double A and either stay in the same place or go up to that high A. So now we're at bar number 4. That's fine. If we need an odd number of bows, or either one of those works, you'll know you need an odd number of bows if you start up bow on that 4th bar, because we want to start every line down bow if possible. We can also change the first E to a high A. which gives it a different kind of feel. So now we have several different ways to play each bar. Let's give it a try. If you want to play it a little faster, visit my increasing speed playlist, and I'll see you next time.